Hey YouTube, this is a video about how to do the backup manager. I mean how to do the backup data and then get Commons Uni. First thing you do, download this fresh, rename it. It should say fresh 411 export or something like that. Sorry, export 411 fresh install. Open it up, drag and drop it to your desktop or extract it, and then once you've done that, it should say the same thing what I just said. Just rename it to export, open up a PS3, make a PS3 folder, drag it into the PS3 folder, and then you've done. And then drag that onto the USB, and then you've done again. Go to your PlayStation, and then go to restore your default settings. And then once you've stored your default settings, type in his user xx0mod.xx. The name will be in the description. I'm not dragging any files around to show you because this program I'm using lags on my computer sometimes and I don't know why. So once you've restored your default settings, you should get a user. And then once you've got you should get his user on the X and B under the user accounts. You should be logged in already. And once you've done that, just go to system settings, backup utility, and restore the fresh. And once you've followed the instructions, yeah, you know, like the guide, your PS3 should restart. His user should still be there. And then you've installed a fresh. If you get a second user, like if you've got one saying xx0mods xx, and you get one say stars xx0mods xx, delete the one without the star, and then go to the one with the star, sign in, and then your game safe should be on there. Sorry, rephrase that. Once you sign the one with the star, you go to your backup utility, and then you put the modded version on the USB and you back it up. So it's just the same thing. The link will be in the description. Just download the modded version, PS3 folder, export, and then the file should be in there. And once you put the modded version on your USB, by the way, you got to delete the old fresh, so then put the modded one on, and then plug it in, and then restore and do the same steps again. And your PS3 should restart. And then once it restarts, your PS3 should have ComGenie or some File Manager on it and Black Box. It's not working for some people. If it don't work, and then try full formatting your PS3. It'll take a couple of hours, but just try it anyway and tell me if it works. And then do the same thing again. Install the fresh, then the modded version, like you just did. If that still don't work, then send me a message with a link. Back up your data, and then put it on the USB, and then compress it, and then upload it to MediaFire, and then send me the link, and I'll download your backup bit, and I'll get my mate to modify it for you. And then once it's been modified, I'll send you back, and it should more or less 100% work. I think he's been busy lately, so that's why he hasn't had a chance to do it for me yet, because I didn't have time one night to go to back up my data. So yeah, and by the way, I bricked my PSP. I was changing the cold boot, and it won't switch on. I managed to get to Hellcat's recovery menu. I patched my battery to be a Pandora by mistake. Now I can still access the recovery menu, sorry, with an AC adapter without the battery in. But then I can't install the official firmware or anything. So if you guys one of you guys got a spare Pandora battery with a magic memory stick, can I please have it, or could you send it me and I'll try and send it you back? But if you got one that you're not using, can I have it so I can unbrick a PSP, and then I will get somebody to design an application for the PSP, and it'll allow you to downgrade your PS3 from any firmware to 3.55. And then, so if you do send me a Pandora battery, I'll promise you I will try and make an application that will allow you to downgrade your PS3 without using the EV flasher. Maybe some of you don't like downgrades, only jailbreaks, but if I do make a downgrade, that's more just more like 100% to work. So yeah, if you've got like a Pandora battery, just send it me, and then I'll fix my PSP, and then I'll make an application for the PS3 to PSP to downgrade to PS3. So yeah, just comment, subscribe, tell me if it works, and don't forget to go to XXMods XX site. The link will be in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to him. Thanks.